Reprieve here, Kate.
Yeah, I just want to put my hat and gloves away just for a few days. We know it's still January, but a little reprieve, that's a good word. We've got a nice stretch of above average temperatures to enjoy through the end of the week, but it's not going to stay dry through that whole stretch, unfortunately. Today, most of the day is dry. Later on this evening, if you have plans out and about, you can see kind of how cloudy it is right now as we start the day in Philadelphia currently, and it is looking pretty dreary outside right now as we look live outside. I want to pull up one of our local cameras and show you what we're kind of seeing out there right now. This is the city from the Camden side of things, looking across the river toward the city skyline, and it is cloudy, it is dreary, it is gray. Not the prettiest day we've ever had. The good news, though, as you step out into this day, it doesn't feel quite as raw and bitter as what we've been dealing with. Take a look at our high temperature trend. This is the past 5 days, recapping our highs. Now, we always like to look ahead at what's next, but sometimes for context, you got to look at where we've been, and we know where we've been. It's been very, very cold. New Year's Day, 38 degrees. Friday, 34, the high. Saturday's high, only 33, and even Sunday and yesterday stayed in the 30s. Today, our forecast high, 47 degrees, which is actually 5 degrees above the norm. And over the next 3 days, we're looking at nothing but 50s and 60s. So we have swung in the opposite direction. I don't think there are too many people that are complaining about that. You know, I know a lot of people like the cold and snow, but if it's not going to snow, then maybe we could just get a little warmth. It doesn't need to be cold and dreary. It can just be kind of mild and dreary. How about that? We've got clouds in place right now. Nothing as far as precipitation, but here's what we're watching for tonight. There's a weak disturbance here over portions of the Great Lakes, some light rain, even some freezing rain there. Most of this stays north of us, but could touch off some light rain or drizzle here or there late tonight, and also the chance for some fog. I want to take a look at future visibility. What we're looking at here basically could go with future fog. Where you see numbers, anything below 1 mile, any of these decimals, so down to 0.3 in Wilmington, 0.4 in Millville, 0.5 in Trenton. This is about midnight, and what that means is that's how far you can see in front of you, not even a full mile. When you're down to a third of a mile or a quarter mile or a fourth of a mile, you're not going to be able to see very much. And this is going to continue at least through about 2 or 3 a.m. What you'll notice here once we get into tomorrow morning is that if you can see the wind barbs, winds are going to come out of the west and really blow this fog out of here quickly by the time the morning commute gets underway tomorrow. So this is about 6:30 tomorrow morning, and we are drying out, clearing out. The fog's out of here. The sun is shining, and we do have much better weather for tomorrow and Thursday. Our next chance for rain comes Friday into the weekend. Now, this is a very warm system. It's going to be lifting to the north. It's going to be drawing in a lot of warmth with it, and it will produce a couple of showers late Friday. You may be able to get out Friday morning and enjoy some of that warmth. Friday's our best chance to hit 60. Saturday, this slow-moving front comes through. Again, we're not quite in the range of our high-resolution models, so timing-wise, we will be timing this out, trying to get you outside if we can for the weekend. But Saturday looks like kind of a dreary, cloudy, rainy day for most of the day. Big question, of course, is Sunday for the Eagles. Now, this is the European model, which brings some showers early Sunday morning, clears it out, and then for the game, it's just windy and colder with temperatures in the 40s. I do want to tell you, though, another one of our long-range models, our American model, the GFS model, wants to keep some rain in the forecast for that Eagles game Sunday. Now, it's only Tuesday, so this is going to evolve, and we'll keep you posted. But I have at least bumped up the precip chance to about 15%, just allowing for the chance of a shower if that system is slower to clear. Otherwise, I think it's just colder and windy for Sunday. 42 degrees at kickoff, 42 at 3 p.m. for tailgating, and then we'll keep it in the 30s once the sun goes down. But hey, if we have an Eagles win, we won't be feeling the cold at all. Let's take a look at your next weather 7-day forecast, which again continues that warming trend. 48 today, 50s tomorrow and Thursday. Good chance to hit 60 Friday, but showers late Friday, rain likely Saturday. That may keep us a little cooler, and then it's cooler but seasonably chilly for Sunday and Monday.